Let me roast them. So the groundnuts are roasting. Look, there is a big pot. It is a kadai and it is filled with some oil. I know what you are going to make. Papad is deep frying. It's turning out so good. I can't wait to eat it. Activity number 2, vegetable salad. Now I am going to make a vegetable salad. Now let's see the ingredients needed to make this vegetable salad. We need a tomato, an onion, a radish, a carrot, a cucumber, some pepper and some black salt. The things needed to make this vegetable salad is a bowl and a knife. Now let's see how to make this vegetable salad. Step 1. Take a tomato and cut it into pieces. Now I have cut the tomatoes into slices. Next, take a piece of carrot and cut it into small pieces. Now I have cut this carrot into small pieces. Next, take a radish and cut it into small pieces just like we did to the piece of carrot. Now I have cut these radish into small pieces. Next step. Here, take an onion and cut it into pieces like this. There, our vegetable salad is ready. Now I am going to make another vegetable salad. Now let's see the ingredients and things we need to make this vegetable salad. The ingredients we need to make this vegetable salad is cabbage, carrot, radish, tomato, onion, cucumber, pepper and black salt. The things we need to make this vegetable salad is a glass bowl and a spoon. Now let us make this vegetable salad. First, take the cucumber and put it into the bowl. Next, take the onions and put it in the bowl. After that, take the tomatoes and put it into the bowl. After that, the radishes get their place. Then take the carrots and put them into the bowl. And finally, let us take a big bowl of cabbage, chopped nicely and put it into the bowl. Now, let us take some pepper and put it into the bowl for some taste. Now, take some black salt and put it into the bowl for some more taste. And now, mix it up. Our salad is ready and it's very tasty. Activity number 3, making juice. Now I am going to make some orange juice. First, squeeze it into the glass, or you can use a juice maker. Here I am using a juice maker. Now I finished squeezing the juice. Now let me put the juice into my glass. I don't like sugar, so I will put little bit of salt inside the juice. Now let me pour some water in the juice. Now let me mix the juice. The juice is so tasty. Now I am going to make some lemon juice. First, take a lemon and cut it into pieces. Then squeeze the lemon into a glass. Now I am going to pour some water in my juice. Now let me add some salt into the juice. Let me mix my juice. Oh, this juice is very sour. Once we happened to go to a hotel. There I saw so many types of methods used for cooking. Here is a method of shallow frying. They are using a big pan and fish is on it. They are using coal to fry the fish. This is LPG. They are using the method of deep frying to cook chicken using LPG. It looks yummy. Hot oil is dangerous. Let me stay far away. My mouth is already watering looking at it. I wonder why I always like deep fried food. This stove is also using LPG. They are cooking biryani in it. Yum. This is the kerosene oil stove. They use kerosene oil to run this stove. They are cooking some spicy puriyal in the stove. This is the used coal. Now let's see the different types of vessels used for cooking. Kadai, tawa, banana leaves, mud pot, etc. Thank you.